Hi everyone, welcome back to the Math Society. So this week we'll be continuing to do chapter 15, which is integration. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start on with question 1. So question 1, they give you an equation to integrate with one limit from 1 and a. And then it says it's got ln 2.4, yeah, not 12.4, where you need to show that a is greater than 1, and we need to find the value of a. So first of all, because it's an integration, we'll start with integrating it. So it should be 2ln 2x plus 3 divided by 2 plus 3ln 3x minus 1 divided by 3. And that's going to be minus 1 by x, which is ln x, and that limits from 1 to a. So then we'll have cancel them out. Then we'll have ln 2x plus 3 plus ln 3x minus 1 minus ln x with a limit of 1 to a. Here's one bracket. And then it's going to be ln, because it says show that a, so we're going to substitute it as a. So it's going to be ln 2a plus 3. A, the limit's a here, plus ln 3a minus 1 minus ln a minus ln 5 minus ln 2. So now it's going to be ln 2a plus 3, 3a minus 1 divided by 10a. That's ln. And then because they say that it's equal to ln 2.4, so that's 2.4 equals to ln, so that's 2a plus 3, 3a minus 1, and then divided by 10a. So that's going to be 24a, 2.4, 2a plus 3a, let's multiply them. That's going to be 6a squared minus 2a plus 9a minus 3. So that's going equals to, oh, you gotta we can minus it this way. 6a squared minus 2a minus 24a plus 9a minus 3. That's equal to 0. So then you have 6a squared minus 17a minus 3 equals to 0. So that's going to be, we're going to cross method. So that's going to be 8. It's going to be 1, 6. That's going to be 3 and 1, right? So that's going to be a minus 3. And 6a plus 1. That's going to equals to 0. So a is going to be 3, or a is going to be equals to minus 1 by 6. And we know that they give a limit that a has to be greater than 1. So we're going to reject the minus 1 by 6. So you just need to write reject. Yep. And that is your number 1. So now moving on to number 2, you just need to show that this and this can be written as this. So you're just going to multiply, which is going to be 3, 2x plus 3, plus 3, 2x minus 3. If I multiply them, so you'll get 4x squared minus 9. It's just squaring. And it's going to be 6x plus 339 plus 6x minus 9. 9 and 9 cancel out, 4x squared minus 9. So you get 12x by 4x squared minus 9. And that's the same as this. And for B, it says, hence find that this 12x by 4x squared minus 9 integrated dx, giving you as a single logarithm and an arbitrary constant. Say single log, yeah? So firstly, you're going to integrate 12x by 4x squared minus 9 dx. That's going to be 3 by 2x minus 3 plus 3 by 2x plus 3 dx. So that's going to be 3 by 2 ln 2x minus 3 plus 3 by 2 ln 2x plus 3. And that's going to be plus c. So you're going to have 3 by 2 ln 2x minus 3. And then 2x plus 3 plus c. Because it's the same. That's 3 by 2 ln 4x squared minus 9. Let's square them out. Let's see. So that's just going to be ln 4x squared minus 9 the whole power, 3 by 2. Let's see. And that is your answer, because it tells you to give it in a single log and an arbitrary constant, which is C. And for C, they give you the limit. So that's the limit and then what it equals to. So you need, and that A is greater than 2. So you need to find the exact value of A. So once again, ln 4x squared minus 9, 3 by 2, the whole power 2 by 2. We have 2 and A, so that's going to be 3 by 2 ln 4a squared minus 9. That's minus 3 by 2 ln 7. That's 2, so just remove this. So that's going to equal to 3 by 2 ln 4a squared minus 9 divided by 7. And it is equal to ln 5 root 5, so that's 5 root 5, right? ln 5 root 5. First of all, let's make it ln first. So it's going to be 4a squared minus 9 by 7. The whole power 3 by 2. So then it's 5 power 3 by 2. That is ln 5 3 by 2 ln 4a squared minus 9 by 7 3 by power 3 by 2. So then we can cancel that out. So that's 25 equals to 4a squared minus 9 by 7. So we get 7 5 35 equals 4a squared minus 9. So you have 4a squared. Oh wait, let's just divide it. So that's going to be a squared equals to 11. A is just going to equal to 11. And that is your A. Let's check that A is just greater than 2. Yeah, 11 is going to be greater than 2. And moving on to number question 3, it says that a curve is such that d squared y by dx squared is equal to 5 cos 2a's. And curve is a gradient, which is, we know that gradient is dy by dx. And the point of this, you need to find the equation of the curve. So let's find dy by dx first. By dx, you're just going to integrate it, which is just going to be 5 by 2 sine 2x plus c. So that's going to be in 3 by 4. So that's 3 by 4, which is equals to 5 by 2 sine. And at the point minus, sorry, so minus 5 by 6 plus c. So we're going to add 3 by 4 equal to minus 5 by 4 plus c. So that's 8 by 4 equals to c, and c is just equals to 2. So we know that y prime, that's dy by dx, so that's 5 by 2 sine becomes 2x plus c is now 2. So now we're going to find the other y dy by, other y, not dy by dx. So now we have, 5 by 2 sine 8, so that's going to be minus 5 by 2 cos 2x. Multiply half plus 2x plus the second c, which is going to be c2. And that's going to equal minus 5 by 4 cos 2x plus 2x plus c2. And we know that it is equal to 5 pi by 4. I'm going to take y right now. 5 pi by 4. So that's equal to minus 5 by 4 cos minus 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6 plus c2. So you have 5 pi by 4 equals to minus 5 by 4 multiply root 3 by 2. That's minus pi by 6 plus c2. So then you have 5 pi by 4 equals to minus 5 root 3 by 8 minus pi by 6 plus c2. And then you're just going to find c2, just minus, plus, I'm sorry, c2 is going to equal to 5.53. And therefore you get a y equation. So y is equal to, we have minus 5 by 4 cos 2x, right? Plus 2x. And now you'll get the c2, which is 5.53. And that is your equation. Okay, so now we have question 4 where they give you a diagram with 2 lines equation. They give you the line, you can see the lines here. And they say the straight line intersects the axis at the point A and intersects the curve at the point B, and C lies on the curve. The point D has coordinates 1, 0. Line CD is parallel to the y-axis. So CD is going to be parallel to the y-axis, and then you find the coordinates of each of the points A and B. So first of all, A, we can see that it's going to be x, 0, right? And so we can calculate we can calculate by doing these two equations. So it's going to be 2x plus y, either substituting or anything. So let's say it's y plus, sorry, this one first. So when a is going to be x comma 0, isn't it? X comma 0. So that's y is going to be equal to 0, which means 2x plus 0 is equal to minus 5. So then it's going to be 2x equals to minus 5. So we know that x is going to be minus 5 by 2. And so that's going to be minus 5 by 2 comma 0. So here's minus 5 by 2 comma 0. And then next we have xy. We need to find the intersection point. So it's going to be 2x plus y equals to minus 5. And xy plus 3 is equal to 0. And then here we have y is going to be minus 5 minus 2x. So in xy plus 3 0, we're just going to substitute y. So it's for x minus 5 minus 2x plus 3. That's going to equal 0. So you'll have minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. That's equal to 0. Then let's just change the signs. And then you're just going to do a cross method. So that's going to be 2x minus 1. X plus 3 equals to 0. X is equals to half, or x is equal to minus 3. So this is the point for b, right? So we're going to find b. B, we know that it's in the positive side. So we're going to have to only take the positive and not the negative. So we're going to reject this. And then you're going to find y for this, which is going to be, I believe, minus 5 minus 2x, which is just 1. So that's going to be minus 6. So b value is going to be half, comma, minus 6. So then here it is half, comma, minus 6. And moving on to b, it says to find the area of the shaded region and calculate answer in the form p plus l and q. So firstly, we can see that there is actually a area of triangle where we can find it first. So we can find it as area of triangle equals to half BH, right? We know the formula of the triangle. Base and height, we're just going to take the base and height where we can find that it's going to be 3 and 6. So it's just going to be half 3, 6. So that's going to be 9. 2, 3, 2, 3, 9. Yep. And then we know that what was the equation again? So that was xy plus 3 equals to 0. This is the curve. 0, and we know that xy is going to equal to minus 3. So y is going to minus 3 by x. So we're going to integrate this in the equation that it's from half to 1. So we're going to do this. Great. Minus 3 by x, so you're going to have half 1 dx. So that's going to be equals to minus 3 ln x. And that's half and 1. So you will have plus 3 ln half equals to 3 ln 2 minus 1. There's just minus 3 ln 2. And then because we know that area can only be positive, so it's just going to remain as positive. So we're just going to ln 2, and we're going to take out negative. So we know shaded area. That's going to equal, I believe it was 9, was it? Yep, 9 plus 3 ln 2. Which is 2 power 3, 8. So it's 9 plus ln 8. And they ask you in your form p plus ln q. So, yep, p plus ln q in the form. And moving on to question 5, it also gives another diagram. Shows a curve xy equals to 2 intersecting, which is a curve straight line y equal to 5x minus 3. This one. Point A, straight line means the y-axis at point B. C lies on the x-axis at point D lies on the curve, such as the line CD as equation 8 equals to 3. So we know that this one's 3, 0, yeah? And there, find h over shaded area given from P plus L and Q, where P and Q are in constant. So firstly, we're gonna find the xy equals to 2. So we're gonna find the A first here, because we need the point. So we know xy equals to 2, and then the curved line intersects with the straight line, right? So we're going to substitute it. Minus 3. So this xy, x is going to equals to y, which is 5x minus 3, equals to 2. That's going to give you 5x squared minus 3x is equal to 2. So you have 5x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So you're going to just do cross method. Well, you get x minus 1, 5x plus 2. And that's equals to 0. You'll get x equals 1 or x equals to minus 2 by 5. And because this is for a, we know that it's in the all of it is in a positive range, so we're going to reject this. So we're going to find y. That is equal to 5x minus, so 5 minus 3, which is just 2. So that's a 1 comma 2. And I know that y was equal to 5x minus 3. We're going to find b. So 5x minus 3, so that was 1 y. It has to be 0, right? Because it's here. Y 0, so that's just going to be 5x minus 3 equals 0. That's x equal to 2 by 5. That's why you get b 3 by 5 comma 0. Here's here, 3 by 5 comma 0. And then we need to find the shaded area, which is going to be a triangle, half BH with the integration. So let's find this. So integration is going to be from 1 to 3. So we're gonna find the triangle first. Let's just do this triangle. Half BH. That's half multiply. Okay, the triangle is here, yeah? Just in case. And you're gonna have A was 1, A was what? A was 1, isn't it? Yeah, 1's here. So it was 1 comma 2 by 2. So we're gonna find a triangle here. So that's going to be 2 by 5, yeah? Oh, half multiply 2 by 5 multiplied. Oh, I'm sorry. Height is 2 by 5, but base is 2, so that's 2 by 5. And then that's going to be just 2 by 5. The integration, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, because it's from here. If it's from here to here. It's going to be integrated 1, 2, 3. That's 2 by x dx. So that's going to be 2 ln x 1, 3. Then you're gonna have 2 ln 3 plus, oh wait, 2 ln 3 minus 2 ln 1, which is just 0. That's 0. So that's 2 ln 3. So I'm gonna total of them up together. So that's 2 by 5 plus 2 ln 3, which is 3 squared equals 9. So that's 2 by 5 plus ln 9. And that is your area. Okay, so now question 6 as well. So we see that one curve, another curve, and we meet at A here. Two curves intersect at point B here. So we're gonna find A based on this. So A is A comma 0, isn't it? That's y equals 0, and we have y curve of x minus 3 the whole square. So that's x minus 3 gonna be equal 0 because square it's gonna be 0 anyway. So x is just gonna equal to 3. A is gonna 3. So that is A, which is going to be 3 comma 0. Here is 3 comma 0. And the second one B was that it was we said x is a point, yeah. So we're gonna have them together. So that's going to be 4 equals to b minus 3 the whole square. You're gonna get plus or minus 2 equals to b minus 3. So it equals to, if it's plus 2, you get 2 equal to b minus 3. And that's b equals to 5, where we might have to reject it. And then another one's minus 2. So minus 2 equal to b minus 3. So that's b equals to 1. So you have b equals to 1 by 1 comma 4. And b is equal, b cannot be 5 because a is 3. So a, if it's, and b is here. So which means it has to be before 5. So we need to reject this. And so this one's b comma 4, which is 1 comma 4. And then they say to find the value of a and b. And so that's a and b. You need to find area of the shaded region. Yep, so our shaded region, we're gonna divide it into two parts of this right intersection. So that's 4. You're gonna have 1 integration for 0 and 1, and then 1 and 3. So 0 to 1 is going to be this equations, and for 1 to 3, that's going to be with this equation. So let's integrate it. So total shaded area. That's going to be 0, I believe it was 0 and 1. And the equation was for x power 2 by 3. That's dx plus, oh, it's 1 to 3, right? Something square, which is x minus 3 square. Dx. So x minus 3 square is x squared minus 6x plus 9. So let's differentiate. So that's 4x power 5 by 3 multiply 3 by 5. That's 1, 0. And a plus. You have x cubed by 3 minus 6x squared by 2, where you'll get 3x squared plus 9x. That's 1, 3. So you have 12 by 5 plus 9 minus 27 plus 27 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 9, 99, 27, 27. So you'll get 76 by 15. And that is your total shaded area. So now moving on to question 7, which is pretty simple. So it says to give your answer in the simplest form. Just need to differentiate it. So that's going to be 2 ln 5x plus 2. Limit of 0 to 4. 2 ln 2. Oh, sorry, not 2 ln 2, 4, 20, 22. Minus and 2 ln 2, yeah. So that's going to be 2 ln L. 2 ln 22, 2 ln 11. ln 11, 11, 1 to 1. And we're going to P, just integrate it as well. 0 ln 2. And multiply first e power x plus 4 dx. That's equals to e power 8x plus 4 divided by 8. And that is 0 and ln 2. So 1 by 8 e power ln school power 8 plus 4 minus 1 by 8 e power 4. That is 1 by 8 e power ln 2 power 8 multiply e power 4. That's plus 4. So e power 4 minus 1 by 8 e power 4 as well. That's 1 by 8 e power 4, 2 power 8 minus 1. So that's going to end up with 255 by 8 e power 4. And moving on to A, it says that given that f of x is equal to 1 by cos A, so that f is equal to tangent x at A. So f of x is equals to 1 by f prime x here, 1 by cos x. So that's going to equal to cos x power minus 1, isn't it? So f prime x equals to minus cos x minus 2, which is minus 2 multiply minus sine x. Because this one's differentiation, so 1 by cos square x multiply sine x equals to sine x by cos x multiply 1 by cosine x. Cos x. So that's going to be tangent x and sec x. And that has been shown. Yep. And moving on to B2. Oh, not 2. It says to find, you need to differentiate it. 3 tangent x sec x dx minus e power 3 by 4 dx. Oh, sorry, x dx. And that's just going to be 3 by cos x minus 4 by 3 e power 3 by 4x plus c. Don't forget the c. Okay, so now we move on to b. So for b, it says that it gives you this integration ln2, you just need to find the positive constant of p. It's going to integrate it p by p ln px plus n divided by p, which is 2, 5, that's equal to ln 2. ln 5, right? 5p plus, oh wait, pp. So you have ln 5p plus 10 minus ln 2p plus 10. So that's equal to ln 2. So this one's minus, so it's divided. So 5p plus 10 divided by 2p plus 10. And that's equal to ln 2. We know that. 5p plus 10 by 2p plus 10 is equal to 2, yeah? So 5p plus 10 is equal to 4p plus 20. So that's 4p, so that's p equals to, let's do this. 5p minus 4p equals to 20 minus 10. So that's p equals to 10. And I think they just asked you to find p. Yep, positive constant p, and we know that it's 10, so it's positive anyway. Yep. Now moving on to question 9, it is given that dx of this, a equals a greater than 0, you just need to find a, integrate it, simple, ln x minus half ln 2x plus 3, that is 1a, right? dx, oh not dx, sorry, equals to ln 3. So that's going to be a ln a minus half ln 2a plus 3 plus 1, so it's 1 by 2 ln 5 only. That's equal to ln 3. Just have ln a minus ln 2a plus 3 by 5. That's over half equals to ln 3. We have ln a by 2a plus 3 by 5, the whole power half, equals to ln 3. So you have a by 3. That's going to equals to 2a plus 3 by 5, the whole power half. That's going to be a squared. So it's going to be a squared by 339. So that's 2a plus 3 divided by 5. So you'll have 5a squared equals to a plus 9327. So you'll end up with 5a squared minus 18a minus 27 equals to 0. This one cannot be worked with cross method. So it's a equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that's going to be minus b, which is just 18 plus 18 squared, 4, 5, minus 27, isn't it? But it's going to be plus divided by 2a, 2, 5, 10. So that's going to end up with 18 plus 12 root 6 by 10 or by 10, which is equal to 9 plus 6 root 6 by 5. Yep, the a greater than 0, so you can only take the positive one, yeah? And moving on to b, you need to find the exact value of this. So we just integrate again, minus half cos 2x plus pi by 3. That's minus x plus half sine 2x. That is pi by 3 and 0. So you have minus half cos pi minus pi by 3 plus half sine 2 pi by 3 plus half cos pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 is half. And sine 2 pi by 4 is root 3 by 2. And this cos pi is just minus 1. So you will have half. This is minus 1, so you plus minus pi by 3 plus root 3 by 4 because it's half, plus 1 by 4. So you'll end up with 6 minus 4 pi plus 3 root 3 plus 3 divided by 12. So that's going to be 9 by 12 minus 4 pi by 12 plus 3 root 3 by 12. That's going to be 3 by 4 minus pi by 3 plus root 3 by 4. And that is your exact value. Okay, so now moving on to question 10, you just need to show that they can be written as is given. So it's just going to be 3x plus 10 plus 2x plus 2. And you're just going to multiply x plus 1 and then 3x plus 10. So you're going to have 5x plus 12 divided by 3x squared plus 10x plus 3x plus 10. So that's equals to 5x plus 12 divided by 3x squared plus 13x plus 10. So it's shown. And now moving on to the diagram. So it shows that part of the curve, this curve is this line x equal to 2. So it's here 2 and a straight line of gradient 1. Straight line with a gradient 1. And then curve intersects at the y-axis at the point P. The line of gradient 1 passes through P. So this one's gradient is 1. And intersects the x at the point Q. Where the area of the shaded region, give you an answer in the form a plus 2 by 3 ln b root 3. So firstly, we got to find the p, right? So we know that y is equal to 5x plus 12 by 3x squared plus 13x plus 10. And x is equal to 0. So we're just going to substitute equals 0. So that's just going to be 0. So that's 12 by 10. It's just 6 by 5. So that's p going to equal 0, 6 by 5. And m, they give you already as 1. So that's going to be 6 by 5 minus 0 by 0 minus 8. So minus x is going to equal 6 by 5. X is going to equal minus 6 by 5. So that your q is going to be minus 6 by 5, 0. So we're going to find the area of the triangle first, right? So this is 6 by 5. And this is also going to be 6 by 5. So half multiply 6 by 5, 6 by 5. So that's going to be area of the triangle. That's half BH. So that's half multiply 6 by 5. Multiply 6 by 5. So that's going to end up with 18 by 25. So we're going to find the shaded area. I'm going to find the shaded area. I'll just write it here. So that's going to be shaded area for total shaded area. So that's over 80 by 25 plus. We want to see the limit. So we know it's limit 0 to 2 with this equation, which is 0, 2. And here's the equation, which is 5x plus 12 by 3x squared plus 13x plus 10 dx. So now we're going to start the integration. 18 by 25 plus 0, 2 divided into 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by 3x plus 10. That's dx. So we know 18 by 25 plus ln x plus 1 plus 2 by 3 ln 3x plus 10. And that is between 0 to 2. And that's 18 by 25 plus ln 3 plus 3 by 2 ln 16 with plus, oh sorry, not plus now, minus 2 by 3 ln 10. So that's going to equal to 18 by 25 plus ln 3 plus 2 by 3 ln 8 by 5. So ln 3, okay, so 2 by 3. So we know that ln 3 can be ln 3, 3 by 2, which is 3 by 2, 3 by 2, yeah. So it's going to be 18 by 25 plus 2 by 3 ln 3 power 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 ln 8 by 5. So that's going to equals to 18 by 25 plus 2 by 3 ln 3 power Oh wait, plus 3 power. Oh wait, I'll write 3 power and 3 by 2 here. So you have 3 power 3 by 2 plus just 2 by 3 ln 8 by 5. And continue it on, I'll just continue on here. 25 plus 2 by 3 ln 8 multiplied 3 root 3 by 5. That's going to equal 18 by 25 plus 2 by 3 ln 8 324 root 3 by 5. And that is your answer. I don't think it gives you higher. A plus 2 by 3 ln b root 3. A plus 2 by 3 ln b root 3. So that's good. And then moving on to question 11. So it says the gradient to the normal of the curve xy. This one's the gradient. Given that the curve passes through this, show that its equation is this. So we just need to make sure that the equation is correct. So it's dy by dx equals to minus x plus 1 by x. So that's minus 1 minus x, minus 1 by x. So y is going to just equals 2 minus x minus ln x plus c. And then at 1, 4, that's 4 minus x minus, so ln, so that's just 1v1, so 4 equals to minus 1 plus c. C is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equals to 5 minus ln x minus x. And that is shown. And now moving on to B, it says find in the form y equal to mx plus c, the equation of the tangent to the curve at point where x is equal to 3. Find in the form equation of the tangent. So we're going to have to grab the 5 minus ln x minus 5. 5 minus, let me have a look. 5 minus ln x minus, not 5, it's ln x minus x. Yeah, it has to be x. 5 minus ln x minus x. So if you go y prime, which is going to be minus 1 by x. And your equation tangent. So that's minus 1 at 3, so minus 1 by 3. So that's going to be minus 4 by 3. So y is equal to minus 4 by 3, x plus c. And there is going to be, when you put in 4, it's just, when you put in x equal to 3, it's going to be 2 minus ln 3. Because y equal to ln 3 equals to minus 4 plus c. So that's going to be 6 minus ln 3. That's equals to c. So therefore, y is going to be equal to minus 4 by 3x plus 6 minus ln 3. That is because it's c. Okay, so now we'll move on to question 12. So question 12, you just need to integrate it as well. 2, 4 x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by x squared. That's dx equals to 2, 4. 1 plus 2x power minus 1 plus x power minus 2 dx. So that's going to be x plus 2 ln x minus x power minus 1. That's within 2 and 4. So that's equals to 4 plus ln 16 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 minus ln 4 plus 1 by 2. So that's going to equal 9 by 4 plus ln 4. That's 9 by 4. 2 squares 4, so 2 ln 2. Yep. And now we'll move on to 13 as well. So it says that curve is equation y equal to x cos a dy by dx. You're just going to differentiate it. That's equal to x cos x, so that's cos x minus x sin x. It says find the equation to normal at the curve at the point where x equal to pi. So, and it's a form, so then m is going to equals to the equation which is cos x minus x sin x. And x is equal to pi, so that's going to be minus 1. So if you want m in the normal, you have 1. So y is equal to mx plus c, right? But 1x, so that's just x plus c. And then x is equal to pi. When x is equal to pi, it's going to be y equals to x cos x. So x is equal to pi. Y is going to go to minus pi. So then you have minus pi equals to pi plus c. C is going to go to minus 2 pi. So you have, therefore, you have y equal to x minus 2 pi, which is your c. And number C. So give your answer to part A, find the exact value of this. Your part A, so that is cos x minus sine x. So that's d by dx, x cos x, right? That was equal to cos x minus x sine x, because it's x sine x, so x sine x. So that's x sine x equals to cos x minus d by dx, x cos x. That's integrating x sine dx, sine x dx equals to cos x dx minus integrating d by dx, x cos x dx. That's going to equals to sine x minus cos x, x cos x. And I believe it was 0 and pi by 6. X sine x dx. Sine x minus x cos x. 0 pi by 6. Minus substitute. Look at sine pi by 6 minus pi by 6 cos pi by 6. So this one was root 3 by 2. This one's half. Half minus root 3 by 2, 12. 3 pi by 12. Yep. And we'll move on to question 14, which is probably the last question. So it says that the curve is this equation for this range, exact coordinates. We're just going to find dy by dx. That's 16 minus x squared, or half, plus x multiply half. 16 minus x squared minus half multiplied minus 2x. Wait. Minus 2, just write it. Yeah. So half and half are going to cancel out each other. So that's 16 minus x squared. Our half minus x squared. 16 minus x squared minus half. That's equal to 16 minus x squared divided by 16 minus x squared, the whole power half. So it's going to equal to minus 2x squared plus 16 divided by root of 16 minus x squared. And stationary point, dy by dx equals 0. That's just minus 2x squared plus 16 equals to 0. So 2x squared equals to 0. Oh, sorry, 16. X squared equals to 8. X equal to 2 root 2. Y is going to be 2 root 2. Square root multiply 16 minus 8. So that's going to be root 8, which is just 8. So therefore, it is going to be 2 root 2, comma 8. And number B. It says that find dy dx. Half this line equals 3, leave you 3. So it's dy dx. 16 minus x squared, 3 by 2. That's going to equal to 3 by 2. 16 minus x squared. Oh, half multiply minus 2x, isn't it? Plus minus 3x, that's equal to 16 minus x squared equals to half. And you have d by dx, 16 minus x squared, the whole power 3 by 2 equals to minus 3x square root of 16 minus x squared. Then you have minus 1 by 3, 16 d by dx, 16 minus x squared over 3 by 2 equals to x, 16 minus x squared. And we'll integrate 0, 1, and 3, so that's 1 to 3. X square root of 16 minus x squared dx equals to minus 1 by 3, 16 minus x squared, 3 by 2, that's 1 to 3. minus 1 by 3, 16 minus 9, that's a whole power 3 by 2, plus 1 by 3, 16 minus 1, that's 3 by 2. So if you calculate, you'll get 13.2. And I think that is your area. Yep. And that's it for today's video. And I'll see you in the next week video.